finally finished that fucking celotex. Yeah. Oh, had a good tidy up. It's a lot better than where it was, eh? Celotex is in. Just mixed a load of muck. Gonna start bricking this up. Also worked out, I think it's about 9 boards I need for the ceiling. I got these, they're homegrown eggs from those chickens that I work with. Because, sorry, I'm eating. She said she wanted the favour to use the van and pick something up from where I live and take to hers. So I said, yeah, no worries, you know. She said, I'll give you some money for it. I went, no, don't worry about it. And she said she's going to give me some cash, but I said it's up to you. But she did offer some eggs. I was like, I'll take the eggs.